Need to integrate Stripe with your website or application? You'll need your Stripe API keys. These keys are essential for connecting your development environment to your Stripe account. In this guide, I'll show you exactly where to find your secret and publishable API keys in Stripe. To get your API keys, first, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Once inside, look for the Developers section in the left-hand navigation bar. Click on Developers, and then select API Keys from the drop-down menu. On the API Keys page, you'll immediately see your publishable key, which starts with PK_test_ or PK_live_. This key is safe to embed in your public-facing code. For your secret key, you might need to click a button to reveal it. It starts with SK_test or SK_live. Remember, your secret key should never be exposed publicly. Always keep it secure on your server or in your back-end code. You'll also see options to generate new keys or view old ones if needed. And there you have it. Finding your Stripe API keys is a breeze. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.